Hey everyone, it's Kaitlin from The Walks of Life, and we've got a really delicious sheet pan breakfast recipe for you. It's Chinese eggs and puff pastry. We're talking scallion pancakes, savory pastries, eggs, chili oil. It's salty, it's savory, it's really good, and it's actually really easy to make because we're using store-bought puff pastry today. You need 1 box of butter puff pastry, eggs, sesame seeds, salt, 5 spice powder, soy sauce, chili oil, scallions, a little bit of flour, and a rolling pin, and a sheet pan. You need about 1 small scallion, and you want to do white and green parts. I'm just gonna sprinkle the board with a little bit of flour and roll out my puff pastry just a little bit thinner so it fits on the sheet pan. I'm just gonna brush this with egg wash, and that's gonna help the sesame seeds and the scallions and all that good stuff adhere to the puff pastry. Now we're gonna poke holes in the dough because we have to par bake it and we don't want it to get too puffy. Now we're gonna sprinkle sesame seeds over the sides of the crust. If you want a crust, you make a little score around the perimeter, so I'm gonna try that. Like this. Okay, fingers crossed this crust holds. So now the key to making it taste like a Chinese street food item is salt, 5 spice powder, and scallion. Just for insurance, I'm just gonna lightly press the scallions into the dough. And this is gonna bake for 20 to 22 minutes in a 400-degree oven. Our puff pastry is out of the oven. We're gonna take a spoon and we're gonna make 6 indentations and we're gonna crack the eggs directly onto this puff pastry. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and lastly, 6 eggs. Now we're gonna put this back in the oven for another 6 to 8 to 10 minutes, depending on how you like your eggs. Now to put over the top of the pastry, we're gonna make a little mixture of 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 2 teaspoons of chili oil. I'm just eyeballing this. And this is just gonna get drizzled over those eggs, and it's gonna be so tasty. Okay, the eggs and puff pastry are done. My yolks are just a little bit runny still. And now I'm gonna drizzle this soy sauce chili oil mixture over the top, right on the eggs. That looks pretty good. And then I'm gonna finish it off with fresh scallions. You get the cooked and the fresh scallion, a little salty bite from the soy sauce and the chili oil. And that's our Chinese eggs and puff pastry. It's really easy to make, whether you're cooking for just a couple of people or for a group. Time to give it a taste. It literally tastes like I'm eating the flakiest scallion pancake with an egg fried in soy sauce, but I did not have to do any of those things. I didn't have to make a scallion pancake dough. I didn't have to fry any eggs. We have this beautiful, easy sheet pan breakfast recipe. I feel like I'm transported back to the streets of Beijing.